All of our machines run about a 95% utilization, which equates to about 23.5 hours of runtime every day. We only shut down for services and part changes. Now that the material has made it inside and placed on its designated racking, the bands can be cut, then loaded on a crane and transported to a saw for cutting. Once one of the aluminum sticks are at the saw operator will then cut that stick into smaller chunks that we call slugs. The slugs will vary in size depending on what the final product is going to be for that piece. The saw operator will then program the saw to cut a desired length and quantity for each length slug that is needed. After the saw has finished cutting the raw material to slugs, the slugs will then be loaded onto a bread cart and wheeled over to a lathe. When the bread cart's rolled into place, it'll be locked in with a bolt on one corner and then 2 jam nuts on the back. This ensures that the cart is in the same position every time. It helps the robot arm understand where each slug is going to be every time. After the cart's locked in place, the machine operator can go set up the machine. Each part that is being run has a barcode that will be scanned. That barcode holds all kinds of information like the tooling pass that will be used, the tools used. This eliminates the possibility of a machinist fat fingering a program that would be running for this particular product or using an old revision of some kind. Once the barcode is scanned and loaded into the program, the operator can go ahead and start the machine and get the process started.